business, what you are doing. If you're a trainer, you can mention what kind of a training you are in. And also this session is going to be also interactive like Mr. Khalil Lulas. So please be on the chat box. We are going to be having more interaction. We together going to explore more how we can scale up or make your business big and bigger. Are you all ready to grow your business big and bigger? Please put on to the chat box. If you want to grow your business big and bigger, you just type grow. I want to grow my training program big and bigger. You feel I want to grow your business big and bigger, please type, mention grow. I want to grow my business big and bigger. Please key in grow and also share your name. Yeah, fantastic. Share your name, what business into, and also which location you are from. Welcome, Mr. Shivaraman. So you are into pharma, very good, from Chennai. So you want to grow your business, very good. Satyanarayanan, want to grow your business. Maybe you can mention again what business you are into. And Sridhar, a trainer, he want to grow his business, very good, awesome. So let us just explore how we can grow our business. Let us understand in what way, what kind of a methodology or a step-by-step game plan will help us to grow our business bigger worldwide. Okay, right. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Vivalit Dev. Okay. Welcome, Mr. Ramasubramanian, sir. And welcome all. Okay, so how many of you want to grow your business? Thank you for introducing yourself. How many of you want to grow your business big? It's a great opportunity we see. This pandemic, corona lockdown, I will love to explore in a different perspective what exactly this corona lockdown has taught me the lessons. Okay, so now let us dive in. So I would love you to take back to the 16th century. Are you all ready? Can anybody tell me the position of Indian economy in the business before 16th century? How much was the market share we were holding out of 100? How much was the market share we were holding? Can you all, anybody take a guess? Before 16th century, that is like 1729, before that, India was predominantly a business nation, isn't it? They were doing more of business. So how much was the market share in the global economy? 20%, 70%, how about others? Can you make a guess? I will give a clue. In 1947, we were actually 2%. So now you make a guess how much we had been before 300 years before our independence from British Raj. How much we were doing. So I will just give you some few slides which will explain you about our ancient business, trade routes and everything. We were doing more business to Greece, especially European countries through Arabia as well as Egypt. And also we were actually doing in Southeastern countries like Indonesia, Malaysia and China. So we were very, very strong on our business front. And I would love to hear from you, what was our hold in the world economy, how much percentage? Some say 70, some says 20. I would love to hear from everybody. Can you please specify some percentage? Let it be right or wrong, that doesn't matter, but I want good participation, full participation from each one of you. Can you please specify any percentage, how much we were holding? Vivajit says 40%. Okay, so how about others? We are all trainers as well as we are having business owners here. Can you all get involved and tell some guess? 25%? Okay, great. So how about others? See here, my dear friends, before 16th century, in 1729, we were actually holding 27% of the global economy. 27, almost Mr. Shivaraman is very close, 25 he has said, and Sridhar is 20, okay, fine, superb. So the point is, we were holding at least around 1/3 of the global economy. So that was the state when we were before 16th century. And India as a whole, as a nation, and also China together, we were holding about 60% of the global economy. Is it a great news for you? How many of you have thought that India had been so powerful, one of the superpower before the 16th century? How many of you feel it is a news for you? Please type, it is a news for me. Because I myself was exploring this only quite 1.5 years back. And I found that this is what's the potential of India before 16th century, we were actually having so many great professionals. How many of you also feel so? Please type, it's a news for me. Just type new, N-E-W. It is something new for you that you are learning today, that whether India was holding 27% global economy before 16th century, how many of you feel it is new? Or how many of you already know that India was a superpower before 16th century? You can mention old, new or old, either of these. If you feel it is it's a new news for you, type new. Or you feel that it is already known to you, just type old. Can I hear from everybody? See, this is actually like I can hear from Shivaraman, Satyanarayanan and Vivalit. It's a new for them. So almost all the business owners and trainers have not known these facts. Okay, so as I told you, after British Raj, see the situation. So we are just holding 2% of the global economy. So now I foresee this pandemic situation, this corona lockdown, not only in India, all over the world, the business is down in minus, negative or zero, nil, and almost it is nil. Except China. China has got a GDP of 3%. All others like America, Europe, as well as India, everybody from -9 to -27%. So I believe personally, it is a great opportunity for business owners and trainers like us to scale up our business worldwide and become a market leader in the world, business world. How many of you feel that I can become a world leader? World leader in your own business. It's a great opportunity. The reason is we at WOW Academy also felt bad when this corona lockdown had hit us, but it opened a great opportunity for us to get participants all over the world, my dear friends. All over the world. We have participants from Qatar. We have participants from South Africa. We have participants from Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, from everywhere. How many of you want to grow your business worldwide? Please type again, grow. I want you to type and make your mindset clear that you want to grow your business big. Please type, how many of you want to grow your business big? How many of you want to grow your business big worldwide? Very good, Satyanarayan and Shivaraman. Thank you very much. Thank you for sharing. So whatever you have put here on the chat box, you are going to grow, no doubt about it. I would love everybody to put grow, and definitely you are going to grow. So that's going to be the inner subconscious is going to do that for you. Okay, now let us dive in. So just dreaming about growth or becoming a world leader, will it help you? Definitely it will help you. But what you need to do, you have to take massive action. You have to take massive action. How many of you are ready to take massive action? Can you type on the chat box, action? Can you please type in the chat box, I am ready to take action. Action, type action. Please type action if you are ready to take action to grow your business worldwide. Action, very good Satya. Very good Mr. Khalilullah, thank you, thank you. How about others? How many of you are ready to take action? Vivalit, how about others? Are you all not ready to grow your business worldwide? Or you are not ready to take action? So just dreaming is not enough, my dear friends. You have to take action. Very good, Mr. Sridhar, Raghu, everybody. I love you all. So you're all ready to take action. I love you all. Not only this is enough, my dear friend. Dream action alone is not enough. What next? What will make me to become a world leader is I have to have the world standard skills. I should have the skills set to the world standard. Unless I have my skills set to the world standard, I cannot compete with the world competition, isn't it? I cannot compete with the world market, with a competition who has got a world standard products or services, isn't it? So what you need to enhance is the skills. Can you all type on the chat box, skills? I want to enhance my skills to the world standard so that I will be able to become a world leader. Please type skills. The skill is the only element. Enhancing your skill is the only element which will help you to upgrade your business to world standard, my dear friends. How many of you are here to enhance your skill? Please type. Raghu is ready. Satyanarayanan is ready. and Oppo is ready. Vivajit is ready. Thank you everybody. How about others? Are you ready for enhancing your skills? Today you're going to learn how to enhance your skills through 4 pillars. Thank you, Mr. Khalil. Thank you, Shivaraman. Thank you, each one of you. Okay, so now let us dive in. How to enhance your skills through 4 pillars. Let us learn that. So this session is for whom? For entrepreneurs who want to scale up their business. This is for marketing professionals who want to scale up their sales. This is for new startup founders. This is also for trainers and homepreneurs. This is also a session for freelancers who are already in the job, who want to increase their business through their extra income. Okay, so this session is going to explore these 4 pillars, a step-by-step game plan, how you can enhance your skills. And this session will open up a new world for you, my dear friends. Next 45 minutes is going to open up a new world for most of the participants here who feel I have a great product, but I don't know how to market. I face big competition in my business. How many of you feel so? This session will open up a great world for you. I have no profit or very little profit in my services. You feel so? This will open up a new world for you. And I don't have a huge money to market my products. If you feel so, this will help you. That is 4 pillars for your business growth. Okay, right. So now let us just dive in. So before we set into the first pillar, let us learn about our team. So we are 3 of us, Mr. M.R. Paul, who is a sales architect. So he has already trained around 7,000 plus professionals in IT, food products, real estate, network marketing, 30 plus years experience. And he has also an upcoming author of a book called Lead to Deal, which is going to be launched soon. And we have Mr. Digital Dev, so who is a founder of digital marketing and who has got a strong 10 plus years of deep knowledge in social media marketing, Facebook marketing, Google Ads marketing, and YouTube marketing. And my dear friends, I am proud to announce you that we are the digital marketer for Tony Robbins. How many of you trainers know Tony Robbins? So Tony Robbins events are promoted by us for European countries. Success Resources, you may be knowing. So we promote Mr. Tony Robbins worldwide, especially on European countries, and we are able to sell more tickets for him. Okay, so that is the expertise we have. And finally, myself, RS Mani, I am a serial entrepreneur, transformed business coach. I have one more business called Adcom Technology. We are into integrated building management system. IBMS is nothing but surveillance system, networking, biometric access control, video door phone, and electronic security solutions. So all this we provide, and we have done this kind of a solution to already for big malls like Phoenix Mall, Express Avenue in Chennai, corporates like Orchid Chemical, Shazan, Kivraj Builders, Appasamy, and also we are done for celebrities like superstar Rajinikanth, actor Vijay, actor Ajit, and many more celebrities and HNI, high network individuals we have served. So that actually has fetched us a great, it has given us a great experience, I would love to say, on the business front. And also I would love to tell, since 2015, I have just strengthened my knowledge on digital marketing, and we have a great team with us which can make your products and service business on the digital platform. So most of the people want to market their products to the digital platform, now becoming so expensive. We thought that why not I teach them, especially for small medium business owners, so that they learn how to make their presence on digital sphere, so that they will be able to promote their business in the digital sphere themselves. So that made me to create this WOW Academy. So WOW Academy is a platform which was formed in 2017, and I'm the founder and the chief trainer of WOW Academy. So what we do is we bring a lot of experts like Mr. Khalilullah, and then we have Mr. Paul, Dave, everybody, so many, Mr. Sridhar, and then we have Mr. Ilango, Ms. Farzana, so many great experts are there, and few more experts are also going to join hands with us. The platform where we want to train business owners, marketing professionals on especially sales, marketing, and business. So this is the core we want to train people so that they can go to the industry standard as well as to the world level. Okay, so that is the ultimate goal of WOW Academy. And we have already transformed more than 700 plus business owners, and we have a community where already we have 700 plus business owners in the last 2 years. And we have touched the lives of business owners who are striving hard in their business to earn around 2 lakhs every month as their profit. So I'm going to share you some of the testimonials soon. So after we explore the 4 pillars, we will explore all these. Okay. And I want to thank my mentors who have given me this kind of an opportunity and made me to grow this level. And I want to thank my dad, Sri Rajamanikam, Dr. T.R. Sivaswamy, who has taught me self-discipline, and Brian Tracy, who has taught me how to set my goal, Havekar, who set my millionaire's mind, and Ivan Meisner, who helps me on social networking as well as business networking, and my family, my friends, and my enemies too, who has helped me to grow my career to this level. Okay, fine. So let us just break the corona myth before we dive into the 4 pillars. How many of you feel that I have no business, I have high competition, I have very little profit during my lockdown period? How many of you feel so? How many of you feel so? Please break all this myth. See, this is the transactions we have done in the last 3 months, only through WOW Academy, through the customers all over the world, and more than 400 plus business owners have learned from us, and we have done a transaction of more than 7.87 lakhs. So whoever feels that there was no business during this corona lockdown, even I myself was feeling so, how we are going to do our training program if all the training halls are closed and there are no public meetings are allowed. So, but this great opportunity of taking our business worldwide through live webinars, Zoom sessions have taken our business worldwide, I would love to say. And now we have touched the hearts of people in Middle East and then Southeast, everywhere. Okay, so I inform this is not only for trainers, it is also a great business opportunity for each one of you business owners. It's a great opportunity. Just think out of box how your product can reach or how you can solve the problems of your customers living worldwide. So that small trigger will make you as a world leader, my dear friends. So let us now dive in. Okay, so this is a small clip. I want to tell you 70% of the business fail because they fail to market. 30% of the business gain because owners do a new way marketing. I would love to hear from you. Are you in the first or the second? Are you in the first or the second? Sorry. Are you in the first or the second? Can you tell me, are you a business owner? Are you a business owner who have failed to market your product worldwide, or are you a business owner who have taken action and then you are able to do your business? Can you type 1 or 2? Can you type 1 or 2? Can you type 1 or 2? Please put on to the chat box. Let me open up that slide and show you. So 70% of the business fail, like most of the businesses were lasting only for 2 years, not more than that. Because of 2 reasons, my dear friend. One is you believe that your product is actually solving the customer problem, but it is not so. And even if it is solving your problem, you fail to market your product in a better way. Are you the first kind of people? Or 30% business gain because the owners do new way marketing. You are able to do your marketing in a very nice way that you are satisfied and you become a world leader. So are you 1 or 2? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Vivalit Dev, for admitting that you are in the first stage. Raghuram says 1, very good. So you have a great product, but you are not able to market. I feel this particular session of 4 pillars will help you to explore or at least understand how, in what pathway you need to travel. Okay, right. So let us just dive into the 4 pillars. The first pillar is market. How many of you can understand by this terminology or this word called market? Can you all feel it and tell me what do you understand by this word market? Anybody? Can you put onto the chat box what do you feel or understand by this as a business owner? Trainers also look yourself as a business owner. Just don't feel that you are a trainer alone. Think about you are in a standard of just promoting your business as a training program to a lot of people you are going to promote. So thinking on that ground, let us understand what do you understand by this word market. Can you please put onto the chat box? Can you please put place to sell your product and services? It is a place. How about others? As a business owner, what do you see there in the market? Place of buying and selling? Okay. How about others? What do you see in the terminology called market or the place called market? Very good. Satya is almost close. Opportunity. As a business owners, you need to look at the opportunity. So these are all your customers, isn't it? It may be a prospective customers or it may not be a prospective customers. It's a marketplace you see. But what you need to do, wearing your marketing, I mean your business owner goggle. Wear your business owner goggle and then look at the market now. Wear your business owner goggle and now you look at the market. What do you see? Can you please type on the chat box? Now wearing the business owner goggle or an entrepreneur goggle, I look something different in this market among this audience. What exactly you see? Can you, as one of the participants told, he is seeing the opportunity. I will love to hear from everybody what exactly you see. Can you all tell me what exactly you see there? What do you see? Please put onto the chat box. What exactly? Variety of people. Very good. Variety of people you see. Okay, good. What else you see? What else you see? Different angles of scope. Very good. Outreach. Very good. Awesome. Multicultural people. Okay, my dear friends. To do business with these people, what you need to focus? Go closer to opportunity. When you get an opportunity, when you get an opportunity, when you get an opportunity, when you get an opportunity. So whatever you said is right, no doubt about it. You have products, you have customers, you have buyers, you have sellers, and then you have service, you have product, you have demand and supply, and you have opportunity. Finally, something very, very important you need to look as a business owner. What exactly is that? Can anybody give me a reply on the chat box? I'm going to give them a reward. I'm going to give them a reward. They recommend, almost close, need. Very good. Fantastic, need. So either you should identify the need or you should identify the customer problem. Got it? So you need to identify the customer problem. When you are going to give a solution, a training module or a product or services, really you should understand whether this product or services is going to solve the customer problem. So you need to identify the customer problem first. Whether my product, whatever I have, is solving his problem. If you're not really solving, your training program is not solving a problem, what is the purpose of having your training program? There is no purpose, isn't it? So you need to identify which audience you are going to solve the problem and whether they really have a problem, and you have to make sure the customer understand there is a problem in them. Most of the customers even doesn't know there is a problem within them. How many of you understand that? So many customers themselves doesn't understand what is their own problem. So I will just tell you with a small example here. So today morning, most of you would have gone to a vegetable shop or a grocery shop to buy vegetables and groceries for your house, maybe today or yesterday. So can you put on the chat box what exactly the problem you're solving? What exactly is the problem you're solving? Can you put onto the chat box? going to a vegetable shop and grocery shop, you are buying all this and bringing to your home. What exactly is your problem you're solving? Can you please put on to the chat box? Pick up our needs. Okay, need. Please go in deep, Mr. Visal, Viswaljit, and then Shivaraman. Please go in deep. What exactly is the problem you're solving? Maybe your mother or your wife would have asked you to go to the shop to buy vegetables and groceries for your house. Okay, so what exactly is the problem you're solving? Can you tell me exactly? Fulfill our want and need is okay. What kind of a need you had? What kind of a need you have? Be specific, my dear friends. Be specific. Be specific. What exactly is the problem you're solving? Can you tell me very specific? Don't go wide. What exactly is the problem you have solved? Daily needs. Please put on specific. Day-to-day household. It's all broader. Be specific. What exactly? What do you do with that vegetable? What do you do with the groceries? What exactly the problem you're solving? Our food requirements, closely it is coming. So we consume, okay. If you don't consume, what will happen? If you don't buy and you survival, almost close. To solve hunger, very good. Awesome. To solve hunger, that is the real problem. Actually, to starve, we starve, exactly. To exist, to live, my dear friend. You are buying all this regularly to make people to live in your home, isn't it? So that is the problem you are solving. Most of the business owners and trainers doesn't understand deep inside what is the problem you are solving. They see the first layer of the problem, second, third layer, but what lies underneath is what you need to look at. I would love everybody to just look deep in and understand what is the problem you are solving. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to share, as I told you, I'm going to give this particular offer to everybody. I'm going to give you a software with which you will be able to do your own business promotion posters. Okay, for the people who are going to share me, maybe after the session also, who is going to share me in my WhatsApp number, which I have shared there. You have to share your name, what is the product you deal with, and tell me what all the 3 benefits your customers will get, or 3 benefits your customers will get and their problem will be solved. Can you share me? If you share me this, I'm going to give you a free software which will help you to create creative posters for you. Okay, so maybe now during the session or after the session, you please send me minimum 3 benefits about your products, what exactly the problem it is solving for your customers, or how it is going to solve you. I have shared my WhatsApp number, Mr. Shivaraman. I have mentioned you the number there. Yeah, 98402-98421. You can WhatsApp me. I'll be able to share you the details. Okay, right. So now, as I told you, you need to look at the customer problem. So that is the key. That is the key, my dear friends. So that is the key. And I'm going to give you a small story. What happened last week, Sunday, at my kitchen. Okay, my wife told that there was a water leaking from the tap, and she told that immediately to replace the tap. And I also took immediate action to save water, and I want to change this damaged tap. Okay, but before I went to the shop, I had 2 things in my mind. One is it has to be a branded tap with minimum 1-year warranty, and also the cost of the tap can be within a budget of 250 to 300 rupees. So that is what I thought in my mind before I start, isn't it? This will be the case of everyone, whoever want to go and buy the product, isn't it? So they have the budget and they want the quality, these 2, isn't it? So I also set my mind, and then I went to the first shop. The first shop was a Jaguar. It was a Jaguar shop. So you know that it's a great brand and very good service support we got. No doubt about it. and I showed the tap sample and I asked them, can I have an equivalent tap? And they told, yes, we have an equivalent tap. The tap is costing around 1,100 rupees. What they told? 1,100 rupees with 3-year warranty. Will I buy the tap? Can you please put on to the chat box? Will I buy the tap? Yes or no? Can you please put on to the chat box? Will I buy the tap? Yes, no? Can you please type in the chat box? Will I buy the tap? Yes, no? Everybody, everybody. Will I buy the tap? Yes, no? Oppo says yes. Viswaljit says yes. Satyanarayanan says no. How about others? How about others? Sridhar says yes. How about others? Mr. Sridhar, the budget goes more than 4 or 5 times than my budget, isn't it? But still, will I buy the tap is the question. Even though the quality is there, budget is high, Satya says. Almost, I was in a dilemma whether to buy it or not, and I want to still explore. I don't want to take a decision. I had almost no, but I don't want to take a decision of buying, and I want to explore, and I went to the next shop. So the next shop is a local hardware shop. Can you see the local hardware shop? The customer care was not so great, but they offered me an equivalent tap for just 100 rupees, but one condition, no warranty or replacement guarantee for that. Will I buy the tap? Yes, no. Can you please put on to the chat box? Will I buy the tap? Yes or no? Will I buy the tap? No. Vishwaljit says yes. Satya says no. How about others? Will I buy the tap? Yes or no? A clear no from me, my dear friends, because it's not only the cost. The point is, he says no guarantee or replacement warranty. If I'm going to fix the tap, take the tap and take a risk of fixing the tap. So when the tap breaks while I fix, it's not only the cost I am going to incur extra, it is going to be the time and money. It's going to be the time and energy, which is more important than the money. Do you agree with me? So I'm going to spend extra 2 hours of my time, extra 2 hours of my energy for replacing this and fixing it back. Okay, so that is more important. I look at, so since they told no guarantee or replacement warranty, I don't want to take a chance. Then I went to the third shop. The third shop was Paribare shop, and there they offered me an equivalent tap to whatever I had for just 290 rupees. 290 rupees. Isn't it? So Jaguar will give a replacement, Shivaraman, if there is a problem with fixing or anything. So that was what we want to look at. Okay. So Paribare, 290 rupees, 2-year warranty. And to my surprise, there was a special offer going on and they gave me the tap for 190 rupees. Just don't look at one tap cost. Just imagine I'm going to buy 25 taps for my house, or you yourself is going to buy for your new house so many taps. How much savings you are going to make. So my dear friends, now I love to hear, will I buy the tap here? Yes or no? Can you please type, will I buy the tap? Yes or no? A clear yes. A clear yes, isn't it, my dear friends? A clear yes from everybody, each one of you. Raghu says yes. Shiva says yes. Sridhar says yes. Vivaljit says yes. Everybody. It's a value for money, isn't it? Khalil also says yes. Fantastic. So, my dear friends, now I want yourself to put in my shoes and have to express what kind of a feeling I will have. Can you just tell me what kind of a feeling I will be having? Buying the product, a branded product with additional 1-year warranty at a cost less than what I have budgeted. What kind of a feeling and experience I will have? Can you please type on the chat? Satisfied, superb, delight, full satisfaction. How about others? How about others? Please put on to the chat box. Sense of satisfaction. Sense of satisfaction. Full satisfaction, isn't it? My dear friend, now I would love to hear from you. You as a business owners, have you given this kind of a satisfaction, gratified? Very good. As a business owner, have you given this kind of a satisfaction to at least 90% of your business customers. 90% of the business customers, have you given this kind of an experience? If yes, put yes. If no, please put no. I have not given till 2015, I admit. I have not felt customer service is much important. I thought the product is much important. But I started to realize in 2015 only that customer service is at most the most important than anything else. How many of you have felt so? That I have given 90% of my audience the great satisfaction. If not, please mention no. If yes, please mention yes. Please put onto the chat box. Let me have a sip of water. Think over. How many of your customers have felt, wow, I felt so great attending your training program, or you felt that I had a great experience buying these products. Striving to give. Sridhar says striving. Striving to give is not the point, my dear Sridhar. What I want is whether your customer has felt that kind of an experience. If no, something has to be changed. Either the product themselves have to be changed, or the way how you position your product has to be changed, or your target audience to be changed. Whatever it has to be done. That has to be done, my dear friends. Okay, so it will be a great learning if you have felt so like, I have not given that kind of an experience. Something is wrong with me. That is what clicked me in 2015. When I started losing some of my audience or my customers to my competitors, then I really felt that there is something missing and I need to patch the gap. And what I thought was, customer problem is the key, and I need to create my marketing blueprint. How many of you have marketing blueprint for your product and services? My dear friends, how many of you have a marketing blueprint? If you don't know what is marketing blueprint, you can mention on the chat box, I don't know, so that I will explain you. If you have a marketing blueprint for your product and services, you can tell that I do have a marketing blueprint for my product and services. Do you have a marketing blueprint for your business or your product and services? How do you market your product? Better target audience? Okay, fine. So anybody, do you have a marketing blueprint? May differ for FMCG, consumer. Okay, great. Not it, but outline. Okay. Sridhar says yes. Sridhar has got a marketing blueprint. Okay, how many marketing blueprint you have, Mr. Sridhar, for your product? So prior to that, let me just give a small briefing. One, so that it's very clear that it is not a marketing blueprint. My dear friends, marketing blueprint is nothing but a script you need to create, targeting your audience, highlighting the problem your audience are facing, and giving them a solution, a product solution, and making your customer to buy your product. I repeat, it is a script made targeting your audience, highlighting your customer's problem and telling that this is the solution for him or her, and explaining your product solution to them and making the customers to buy the products. Okay, so this is all about the marketing blueprint. So for one product, how many marketing blueprint you can have? For one product, how many maximum or minimum you can have? How many marketing blueprint? Is it 1, 2, 3? 2 or 3, correct? Isn't it? So it's very clear, if you have only one marketing blueprint, you are doing something mistake, because your product and services may cater to different target audiences. So you need to identify the exact target audience and you need to address them. So that is one marketing blueprint. And then you need to have one more marketing blueprint which will address another target audience with another problem and how your product solves them. It is the same product but solving different target audience with the different problems, whatever they face. Okay, and you need to have a sales story. How you nicely tell them as a story. As I told you, most of the people will talk about the features. Most of the people will talk about my product has got this feature, that feature, it has got 230 volt and the power backup is available and all those stuff. but how many of you have told the benefits your customers will get? That is why I asked you to write down 3 benefits for your customers buying your products and services. So please share that what all the 3 benefits. Once you write these benefits, almost you're through with your sales. Almost you're through with your sales. Most of 99% of the business owners, trainers don't write down their benefits. Write down the customer benefit, what they will get using their services or their products. You can write more also, but I'm asking you to just write first 3. And you can write up to 7, 10 also. But I would love to write 3 benefits and share it with me to get your free software also as a bonanza. Okay, right. So now let us dive into the next slide. And this is a video. I love you to hear this video. Let me just check out whether my video has an audio also. Let me just switch on my audio. Yes, now it's done. So let us just watch this video. This video is going to talk about the customer psychology. So how our audience in India and worldwide, how they are responding to products and services. Let us hear. Great. Hope you loved that video. How many of you feel that you are one among them? How many of you feel you are one among them? Just type I am. How many of you feel that you are one among them? Most of you as a customer also have the same feeling, isn't it? How many of you feel so? Please type on the chat box that you are also. Khalil says, yes, I am. Sridhar says, I am. So mostly everybody, you put yourself in the shoes of the customers. You are also one among them, isn't it? How about others? Only 3 of you? How many of you? If you are not, you can just mention, I am not. I am. Very good. Awesome. So hope you enjoyed. This is not only restricted to Indian customers. Worldwide, all the business owners, all the customers are looking for a quality product at an affordable price. That you make a point very clear. That is what people are looking at. So you can strengthen this first pillar called market through our program called Secret Plus. What we train you at Secret Plus is 7 business secrets you learn. How to get connected with 500 plus customers in just 30 seconds. Why you lose your order? You lost your order, even your price is lowest. Have you come across that kind of an experience in your business? If so, this session will open up why you lost your order. Create marketing blueprint with MOT techniques. As I told you, what is this marketing blueprint? Still, we go in detail about this marketing blueprint and we give you the modules how to create this marketing blueprint. Talk your perfect selling story. So creating the script alone is not going to help you. How you need to talk before the audience, matters. Very, very important. So my dear friends, hope you understood the first pillar, market. Please type market, and it can be strengthened. Market pillar can be strengthened using a session called Secret Plus. Can you please type market and Secret Plus in the chat box so that I am clear that you understood the first pillar, and next we will dive into the second pillar called surprise. Let us go to the second pillar soon. I love to hear from everybody. If you are very clear about market, and you can strengthen the first pillar using the program called Secret Plus. Thank you, Mr. Shivaraman. Thank you, Sridhar. How about others? How about the others? Let me hear from everybody, each one of you in this forum. Superb, Mr. Viswal Jit. Okay, right, superb. So what is the second pillar? Now everything you have in your mind, the script is in your mind. You know what is the problem of your audience. You know the solution with your expertise. Now what you need to do next? I need to create this as a message. I need to create this as a message. Seidi. Message is of 4 forms. You can create message in 4 forms. So there are a lot of experts in the forum right now. I would love to hear from each one of you. What are the 4 ways how you can communicate? 4 messages, 4 ways, 4 forms of messages. Can you please put on to the chat box? What are the 4 forms of messages? Please type in the chat box. 4 forms of messages. How I can communicate to my audience. This is your problem and this is your solution. The marketing blueprint, whatever you created. My dear friend, Mr. Khalil, whatever you mentioned is a platform. I'm asking what is the form of message? USP, benefit, indication, whatever Mr. Khalil has mentioned is the next pillar. But what is the second pillar? Message. I need to create a content, is it not? Over to call. What are the 4 forms of creating a message or a content? The first one is text. The first one is text. You write as a text and send it to your customers. Message. Correct? You can send as a message. Then the second one is audio. You can create an audio message and send it to your customers. Then the third one is a visual. This is the software I'm going to give you how you can create a impressive posters. Okay? For people who are going to share me your name and the 3 benefit for your products. So this particular tool will help you to create awesome, impressive posters for your products and services. That will reach your customers. And then the final one is a video. Out of these 3, which is out of these 4 to be exact, which is the best one to communicate? Which is the best one? Can you please put on to the chat box? Which is the best one? Audio, visual, or video? Which is the best one? Can you please type in the chat box which is the best way, best message for you to communicate? Is it a AV? Is a video. Am I right? Audio visual is nothing but video. You call audio visual as a video. Okay, visual is only poster. Audio is only audio message. Okay, my dear friends. So please understand the best skill you need to learn in 2020 is this video making skill. Okay, right. So why videos? Videos are more captivating than text. Text can only have a memory in the audience mind for only 10%. Only 10% of the audience will remember, or the 10% of the content, whatever you delivered, is understood or remembered by the audience or the customers. But if it is going to be a video, it's almost like 70 to 95%. 70 to 95% the people remember the call to action or the content what you have delivered through the video. So that is the power of videos. Videos are one of the best lead generation channels. So whenever you ask for a call to action, they take actions, and more quality leads you get when people watch the video and book for your program. And also it will engage your audience much better when you have your videos on your website. Just imagine you must have come to our website to register for the program. Somewhere you must have seen our content or the video contents. So actually we are holding you as a customer for a quite long time in our website. Okay, so that makes like the average user spends 88% more time when you have website with videos, my dear friend. So the videos are more powerful, and there are two types of videos. The first one is self-portrait video. So self-portrait video, I would love to hear from you. Who is the best person to explain your product and services to your customer? Who is the best person? Is it you or your marketing executive or your marketing manager? Who is the best person to explain about your products and services to your customer? Who? You means you put me. If not, your marketing manager, type marketing manager, marketing executive, whoever it may be. Who is the best person to explain about your products and services much better than anybody else about your products? Me, isn't it? So if so, how many people you can reach every day? Maybe 3, 5, 10. In spite, if you make the explanation or your marketing blueprint as a video, how many people you can reach? You can reach lakhs of business owners or customers, isn't it? You will be able to reach lakhs of customers. So that is the power of videos, my dear friend. Okay. And there are some people who may feel like, one is people, your customer get boredom seeing your faces. So you need to have them, give them some variety. So there is one more type of video making, which we teach people on the second level or the next level of the program. And there are some people who don't want to say, show their face, but they just want to give their content. The content is what is important. So they want some images to come and then they want to give them the content. So that can be done using animated videos, something like this. Okay. So this we will see later. But normally why people doesn't do this is when they engage customers, I mean vendors to do these kind of videos, they charge between 10 to 60,000 rupees. So people are reluctant to spend money to make videos. But if you learn video making, a professional video making yourself, will that not help you, my dear friends? Definitely it will help you, isn't it? So I tell people, get trained yourself to create your own videos. The first step to make your own videos is impressive script, because script is the king of videos. Then how to face the camera, how to start your videos, what are the 3 key elements for videos, how to shoot your videos using your mobile phone or a professional cameras. All these you learn in our second session called Video Making Mastery. So the second pillar is message, and you can strengthen this message or content creation using this module called Video Making Mastery. Can you all type this? So I will be clear that you got the second pillar right. Can you type message and VMM? So you have to have a great message created. A video as well as poster creation has to be done. That you learn at VMM. Can you please type message and VMM in the chat box if you are very clear about that? Very good. Fantastic. How about others? Are you all clear? If you are clear, please type. So as I want to just highlight, filming a video is one eye, editing the video is the second eye. Both eyes are very important. Just you filming the video and put on to the YouTube channel is not going to fetch you a lot of audience. You need to enhance the video using some great video editing tools. Scrolling your name, phone numbers, and then popping up all the keywords whenever you talk. That will make a great impact on the audience for them to take action. So with great tools and great script, the great way to talk, you can make awesome videos. That is what you get learned at Video Making Mastery. So as I told you, the awesome videos you make, but how people will come to know? They come to know only through a poster called thumbnail. How many of you know what do you mean by thumbnail? You must have seen in the YouTube channel a poster with a catchy caption. This caption makes the people to click on the video and then explore your video. Okay, So we will train you how to create this thumbnail also in this session. Okay, fine. So now let us dive into the third pillar. So the third pillar, as Mr. Khalil says, media. What do you mean by media? See, your content is ready on the left side, and then your customers are ready. So how do you bridge the gap? You need a platform to bridge this gap. Am I right? So that is media. So you have so many different medias here. You have television, you have newspaper, you have radio, you have magazines, you have internet. Out of all this, which is the best media, my dear friends? Which you feel is the best media? Can you please type in the chat box, which you feel is the best media? Which is the best media? Internet? How about the others? How about others? Online, social media? Okay, great, awesome. Why social media is called one of the best? Social media, you have so many. Very good, fantastic, well said. Social media is one of the best. Others are expensive, very good. But something more important, why social media is the best? Can anybody tell? Whatever you said is right. Its reach, cost effectiveness, access, everything is fine. Affordable, everything is fine. So more than that, just imagine if it is going to be a television, when you have a product, say you have a baby product. So is it reaching only your target audience, or it is reaching everybody who are not also going to buy the product? Just think over. It may reach 90% of the people who are not going to buy your product. Isn't it? Do you got it? So what is most important is target audience. So when you are able to reach your target audience, your time, your energy, and your money is saved, my dear friends. Your time, your energy, and your money is saved. So that is what you will get in this social media, especially like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google Ads, YouTube, and all those. You reach only the people who are interested on your products, who have similar problem of your existing customers. Got it? So target audience are the key. You are able to pinpoint your target audience and focus on them, and your ad, your video, everything reaches only them. Okay, so that is the power of social media, my dear friends. Okay, right. So in all this, out of all these social media, which is the best? Out of all the social media, which one you feel is the best? Facebook, Insta, YouTube, Twitter, Google Ads, LinkedIn, Snapchat, WhatsApp, Pinterest. Which you feel is the best? Out of all this, YouTube, you feel the best? Sridhar says Facebook is the best. How about others? How about others? Instagram too. Instagram also is good. That's what he says. Which one is the best, my dear friends? I love to hear from everybody. Khalil says Facebook and YouTube. Very good. FB, bigger reach. Well said. So in this present scenario, Facebook has got the great reach, my dear friends. Why Facebook? Let us just explore that also. My dear friend, out of the 135 crore population in India, around 31 crore people are available in Facebook. Please look at your chat box. I am telling the latest one. This is the old slide, and 1 crore people have added on within 1 month. 1 month during this pandemic situation. So total people in Facebook, available in Facebook. Out of this 31 crore, 12 crore people are buyers and sellers. Buyers and sellers, both together we have 12 crore people. Out of this 12 crore, we have 5 crores people who are only seller. Seller means it's business owners. Business owners. Out of this 5 crores, 2.5 crore people, 2.5 crore people are MSMEs, medium, small business owners. And out of this 5 crore, 1.5 crore people are small time business owners, and 85 lakhs people are high value business owners. So whoever the target you want, you can pinpointly, you can target them. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Sridhar. So hope this is a great data, and I will showcase this live for you, my dear friends. You can see this lively. Who is your target audience? You will be understanding your target audience, how many people are there in the Facebook, and you can target only them. Got it? So as we were talking about conquering the world through business, isn't it? That's a mission of WOW Academy and the community, WOW Academy Business Owners Community. So we will also touch upon the world market. How many people out of the 780 crores world population, we have around 1.69, that's 169 crore people are there in the Facebook. So is it now easy for you to conquer or reach your target audience worldwide, my dear friends? Are you feeling so? How many of you feel so? Now I feel very easy that I will be able to reach my customers worldwide, sitting in my place through my content video, that I can reach them and they can start learning from you or buy the product through e-commerce or live webinars, whichever the digital platform is available. So, isn't it? So now are you feeling the confident that yes, I can also become a world leader? I can also conquer the world through my business. I can become a market leader in my domain area. How many of you feel confident? Please type confident. If you feel confident that now I feel something easy, that I will be able to reach the world standard or the world market sitting in my place. I have a platform available now. It's the matter that I should take action and enhance my skills to that level to learn how to reach them. That's it. So I'm just showing that it is possible to reach, and you need to just learn how to reach. And I'm going to showcase here also, it is possible. Right. So why Facebook marketing? You can find your right target customers through Facebook all over the world. You can share your ideas and get investors. Even that is possible. You can share your products and services so that your customers who have not bought, like your target audience, who have not bought it, but still they are watching you, whether your products has a value or not, and it makes your leads to buy, your target audience to buy. You can form business group to culture or nurture them, and you can create and share your business events. My dear friends, business events like what I am holding now is not only for trainers. It is also for business owners who want to bring awareness about their products and services to their customers, my dear friend. So if you are dealing with some products and services, other than training program, if some people are here, I would love that you have to conduct such kind of a training like what we are now doing, bringing awareness to your customers about your products and services through live webinars. So that is what you need to do, so that people believe or people understand that you are an expert. It is not only the belief, they really understand you are an expert in your domain area. So that is what you need to make them visible. So that you can do through business events, and you can connect with your friends through messengers. Okay, right. So now let us just understand, is it possible to connect 500 plus customers in 24 hours just spending 10,000? Yes or no? Please put on to the chat box, my dear friend. Is it possible for you to connect with 500 plus your prospective customer in less than 12 hours, 24 hours, just spending 10,000? Is it possible? If you feel yes, confidently put yes, else you can put maybe or no, whatever you feel. So this 500 plus customers may vary from business to business model. no doubt. But I am just giving you a ballpoint figure just to understand you will be able to reach so many people in 24 hours. And we made it, maybe, but so far, no, now. Okay. My dear friend, I'm going to showcase you the facts here. One of our products has reached 1,41,120 people in less than 2 days. 2 days. This campaign was running for 2 days, spending 12,288 rupees, and we got 820 prospective customers. So it's a clear fact, my dear friends. I'm able to spend just 12,288 to get 820 customers, and this may vary based on your business and also ticket size, but one thing is clear, you are able to reach your prospective customers. So that is what you need to look at. And something more I want to highlight here, you will also come to know which area or which state. This campaign was run based on different regions. Like, can you see here? It is for Gujarat, in and around Gujarat, like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab. The second one is Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. The third one is Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. The fourth one is Tamil Nadu and Kerala. And the fifth one is Delhi and Kolkata. Can you let me know now, seeing this data, which region or which state has fetched more business for us? Can you please specify here? Can you look at this and tell me which domain area has fetched more business? Is it Gujarat, Andhra, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, or Delhi? Which one? Can you please type? Gujarat, Andhra, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, or Delhi? Which one has fetched? Shiva, you are right. Absolutely, you are right. So Maharashtra has fetched the maximum level of business with 160 leads. And then comes Gujarat, and then it is Delhi, then it is Andhra, and finally it is Tamil Nadu. Okay. So my dear friends, don't worry that very, very little leads have come from Tamil Nadu, South India, because the product is demanding Maharashtra to get more leads, because it is a solution for stress, spirituality. So it is a product of spirituality. So you can clearly understand Maharashtra state has got the maximum stress level. Then comes Gujarat and Delhi. Then comes Andhra. Then comes Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Okay, are you able to see here? So more leads comes. So if you are dealing with a product called something related to spirituality, something related where you need to focus your business, it is Maharashtra, my dear friends. Anybody from Maharashtra here? Please type in the chat box. Anybody from Maharashtra? You can type anywhere in and around Maharashtra, anywhere from Delhi. Which location you are from? Can you please type in the chat box? Let us understand. So hope you agree with me. Please type your location on the chat box, which area or the location you are from. Which location you are from? Chennai or Delhi or Calcutta? Which place you are from? Can you please type on the chat box? So will I make more budget for this campaign of Maharashtra, isn't it? So it's a very clear cut. Madras. Vishwajit is from Madras. I think almost people are from South India. How about others? Everybody is from Chennai. Chennai, Sridhar is from Chennai. Okay, awesome. Fantastic. So this is a big game. So this is for our Facebook marketing. We had almost around 1,500 plus customers just to spending 18,000 rupees. So that is the power of Facebook marketing, my dear friends. So you too can get 1,000 plus leads, prospective leads, and you have two options. You have two options, my dear friend. Option 1, hire a digital agencies and then spend lakhs of rupees but get thousands of inquiries, leads. Option 2, you to learn Facebook marketing and you can save lakhs of rupees, still get thousands of leads or hundreds of leads. Which option you love to take? Which option you love to take? 1 or 2? Mr. Shivaraman, make a note of it. At the end, we will address all your questions. Which option you love to take, 1 or 2? How about others? 2. Obviously 2, isn't it? Okay, so now you too can do Facebook marketing. You can learn Facebook marketing through RS Money's Facebook Marketing Mastery. So what all we teach? We teach you how to create your ad post and then how to market or how to run your campaigns. Okay, so now a big question arises. What is different of your program compared to any other program available? So many people are teaching Facebook marketing, isn't it? You can take a screenshot so that you can explore more. Slowly I will slide through the slides. So many questions arises. Why Wow Academy? My dear friend, I will explain in a very simple way. Now you have told us which city you are from. Can you please type which is the best cinema theater, movie theater in your place? Can you please type which is the best movie theater in your location? Can you please type which is the best movie theater where you watch movies and you go for this only? Vetri, Varadaraja. How about others? Which is the best movie theater? Udayam. I would love everybody to participate, my dear friends. We are almost going to come to the end of the program and let us all explore. Udayam. How about others? PVR Grand Mall. Khalil says PVR Lux. How about others? How about Mr. Raghu, Nurullah, Mr. Ram Subramanian? Can you please type which need to leave before? Okay, no problem. So I would love to hear which is the best theater. Which is the best theater? So many people have put up Lux, PVR and all those. My one question is, will all the movie screened in that theater you call the best of best theater, will it be a hit? Yes or no? Will all the movie, you are told this is one of the best theater in the world, in your city, will all the film, not all are hits, am I right, my dear friend? That makes a difference. Only the best movie runs in the best of best theaters also. Correct? The same way in your Facebook theater, so-called Facebook theater, the best of the best business video content only will be a hit. How you present your business movie, your business ad only will make your movie hit in the theater called Facebook theater. Hope you got it. So we in our program train you how to create your best ad, and then only we go for the screening. Most of the Facebook marketing, they will only teach you how to screen your ad. I have so many participants who have learned in other programs. They came and told, I don't know why my ad is not running. But when you see their movie, their business movie, their business ad post, it will look awkward. Then I told them, my dear friend, you have to make your movie in a best way for it to be a hit in the best of best theater, even on the best of best social media theater called Facebook theater. Got it? So that makes us different from others. Okay? So you can take a screenshot and go through what all we teach here. And now we are coming to the end of the third pillar called media, which is strengthened by the program called Facebook marketing mastery. Can you all type on the chat box? The third pillar, media, strengthened by the pillar called Facebook marketing mastery. Then we will dive in to the fourth pillar. Hope you all got the third pillar strong. Please type media is the third pillar, and I'm able to strengthen the media through Facebook marketing mastery. Good. How about others? Great. How about others? My dear friends, hope you all got the third pillar right. And which makes you to strengthen your third pillar is FMM. Great. Awesome. Great, Sridhar. Thank you. So now let us dive into the third pillar. Take a screenshot. I'll just hold for a second. If you want, you can take a screenshot. Right. So we will go to the fourth pillar. What is the fourth pillar all about? The fourth pillar is all about morphosis. What is all morphosis? Morphosis is nothing bad, my dear friends. Hope you must have heard about metamorphosis in the biology during school days, isn't it? What is that? An egg transformed to a beautiful butterfly, isn't it? Same like that in sales morphosis, your leads has to be converted into your paying customers. Your